If you want very super fluffy, soft pancake, then you should try this recipe. This is so yummy, so delicious. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. The first thing you want to do is to sieve all-purpose flour. The reason why you want to sieve this is to remove impurities because there might be dirt in your flour. So just sieve this so that you don't have dirt in your pancake. So the next thing you want to do is to add in sugar. So you can add more sugar based on your preference if you want your pancake to be sweeter. So in here I also add in cinnamon. You can skip the cinnamon and add nutmeg, or skip the both if you don't have. So you just want to make a hole or a well in the middle and add in milk. So you can add milk or water, but if you want your pancake to be tasty, add in milk. So you want to be adding your liquid in bits so that you don't have a very runny batter. So keep adding and adjusting as you go. So the batter we're going for is a runny batter, but it should have just a bit of weight. The texture should not be overly runny like water. So but if you follow the measurements that I have dropped here, you will have the right batter that will work for your pancake. Just mix this together very well until everything is well combined. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new videos, so you can make this delicious pancake for your family, friends and loved ones this holiday season. So this is what will make your pancake so fluffy and soft. So into a bowl, just add in vinegar. We want this bowl to be grease free. Use the vinegar to rinse the bowl and discard it. And so in here I have egg white. So what I just dropped is just a dash, just a drop of vinegar, and then I'm going to whisk this egg until it is peak. We are going for soft peak, so keep whisking. You can even use just the manual whisk to do this and it works perfectly. You can use an electronic whisk, you can also use your standing mixer, but whatever you're doing, just keep whisking and in no time we're going to have a soft peak egg white. This is what is going to transform your pancake into that fluffy, pillowy pancake. To say a thank you to my returning viewers. Thank you so much. Thanks for your like, thanks for your comment, thanks for sharing. God bless you. So you too, if you're new to my channel, you can also share this delicious recipe by just clicking on the share button. I would love to hear from you, so just comment below. Tell me how it turned out to be. If you try out this recipe, how was your pancake? Was it fluffy? Was it pillowy? I want to know the outcome, so please go to the comment section and let me know how your pancakes turn out. You have achieved soft peak egg white when you hold your whisk up and it gently fold over at the tip. Into the batter, add in egg yolk and vinegar and mix this together until everything is well combined. So the next thing you want to add is the soft pig egg white. You want to use the folding in method to add this in order for the egg white not to deflate. So mix this gently and do not over mix it so that you don't deflate the egg white, because this is what is going to make your pancake soft and very fluffy. So you don't want to over mix this. So the duration of time you see me folding in the soft pig egg white was the duration of time at which I actually did this in real time. So you can see I did not over mix this because I want my pancake to be very fluffy, pillowy and soft. batter is ready, the next thing to do is to add little oil to your frying pan. So the oil here I added was too much, so I had to reduce it. So you just need very little oil to fry your pancake so you don't end up with oily pancake. So the next thing to do is to scoop your batter into the pan and let this cook for just 3 minutes on both sides. So keep doing this until you're done with the batter. Our delicious pancake is ready. You can see, so fluffy, so delicious. Oh my goodness, this was so yummy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to hit on the like button. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the other flip side.